Stop. Look at this. If your profile picture looks squished like a pancake, we need to talk. You look like an amateur. Let's fix it properly. First, draw a circle. Hold Shift so it's perfect. Then, grab your photo. Do not try to crop it yourself or squish the sides. Just place the photo right over the shape. Here is the rule everyone forgets: the image must be on top of the circle. If the image is behind the circle, the magic won't work. The best part? You can drag the photo around inside the circle to find the perfect angle. No more squished faces. You're welcome. Subscribe to Pith Pixel.